Uy. I've been under a heat advisory warning for what feels like 2 months na, kaibigan. Oh, wow. What's the temperature there in Ohio? You're in Ohio, right? Now I'm going to start cooking breakfast. Ang init sa labas. It's hot out there. Advisory warning. Ay, so hot. Nangawit na yung kamay ko sa katuhok ng phone. O, yan. Ang gulo ng buhok ko, guys. Maiksi na yung buhok ko. Wait lang. Kumusta ang lahat? Ang init sa labas, guys. Grabe. Ang init. I need to tie my hair because yeah, my hair is short now too. I'm trying to make it long again. Ayan. Wait lang. So, how are you, Joe? How are you doing? You're in Missouri. I forgot now. Sorry. I'm going to cook something. Wait lang. There's no coffee for my hubby. I am planning to make a Spanish bread. Yeah, ang gulo ng bahay. Ang gulo-gulo. Ano yung aking tea? Saglit lang, guys. Grabe yung watch time hours ko 9.4 na lang. Tapos yung views ko 699 na lang, guys. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Ngayon ko lang na-check. So, right now, i-on ko lang sa itong aking monetization. Wait lang. Mobile. Naka-ano pala to, naka-landscape. Ay, naka-portrait yung ano. Yung aking. Live, naka-portrait. Hindi siya naka-ano. Kasi kung i-landscape ko, nag-message ng pag igaganito ko siya. Orientation is locked out. Device back. Wait lang. Tingnan natin.